Welcome friends to a new session on molecular biology. This session will describe the various DNA regions involved in transcription and transcriptional regulation such as promoters, enhancers, silencers and cofactors. Regulatory regions in DNA. Promoters, enhancers, silencers and cofactors are various DNA regions involved in transcription and transcriptional regulation. Promoter. A promoter is a region of DNA that initiates transcription of a particular gene. Promoters are located near the transcription start sites of genes on the same strand and upstream on the DNA, that is towards the 5' region of the sense strand. Promoters can be about 100 to 1000 base pair long, approximately 250 base pair upstream of the start site. There are two types of promoter elements, core promoter and proximal promoter. Core promoter is the minimal portion of the promoter required to properly initiate transcription. It includes the transcription start site, a binding site for RNA polymerase and general transcription factor binding sites, example Tata box. Proximal promoter is the promoter sequence which contains 250 base pair upstream of the start site of the gene that tends to contain primary regulatory elements and specific transcription factor binding sites. Distal promoter is the promoter sequence upstream of the gene that contains additional regulatory elements and specific transcription factor binding sites, often with a weaker influence than the proximal promoter. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic promoters. First, let us see about prokaryotic promoters. The sigma subunit of RNA polymerase mediates its binding to promoters in DNA. Hundreds of Escherichia coli promoters have been sequenced and found to have two short sequences within these promoters which are highly conserved to be recognized. These promoter sequences occur at about 10 and 35 nucleotide pairs upstream from the transcription start site. Thus, they are called -10 sequence or the -10 element or the Pribnow box, and the -35 element or -35 sequence respectively. These sequences vary slightly from gene to gene and some nucleotides are highly conserved. The nucleotide sequences that are present in highly conserved region are called consensus sequences. The -10 consensus sequence in the non-template strand is TAT. The -35 consensus sequence is TTGACA. The sigma subunit initially recognizes and binds to the -35 sequence. Thus, this sequence is called recognition sequence. The optimal spacing between the -35 and -10 sequences is 17 base pair. Let us see about eukaryotic promoters. Eukaryotic RNA polymerase cannot initiate transcription by them. All three eukaryotic RNA polymerases require the assistance of transcription factors to synthesize an RNA chain. The initiation of transcription involves the formation of a locally unwound segment of DNA. It involves the interaction of several transcription factors with specific cis acting sequences in the promoter for the transcription unit. The promoters recognized by the RNA polymerase II consists of short conserved elements located upstream from the transcription start site. The conserved element closest to the transcription start site is called Tata box. It has a consensus sequence TATAAA and is centered at about minus 30 position. The Tata box plays an important role in positioning the transcription start point. The second conserved element is called the CAAT box near the minus 80 position and has the consensus sequence GGCCAATCT. Two other conserved elements, the GC box, where the consensus sequence is GGGCGG, and the octamer box, where the consensus sequence is ATTTGCAT, are often present in RNA polymerase II promoters. The CAAT, GC and the octamer sequences influences the efficiency of a promoter in transcription initiation. All active promoters contain at least one of these elements, but all the three elements are not present in every promoter. Gene promoters are typically located upstream of the gene and can have regulatory elements several kilobases away from the transcriptional start site, that is enhancers. In eukaryotes, the transcriptional complex can cause the DNA to bend back on itself, which allows for placement of regulatory sequences far from the actual transcription site. The RNA polymerase II dependent promoters in eukaryotes contain a Tata element which is recognized by the general transcription factor Tata binding protein, that is TBP, and a B recognition element BRE, which is recognized by the general transcription factor TF2B. The Tata element and BRE are located close to the transcriptional start site, typically within 30 to 40 base pair. Eukaryotic promoter regulatory sequences typically bind transcription factors that are involved in the formation of the transcriptional complex. An example is the E box, wherein the sequence is CACGTG, which binds transcription factors in the basic helix loop helix family. Example, ARNTL clock, that is aryl hydrocarbon receptor nuclear translocator like protein 1, circadian locomotor output cycles kaput. And another one is CMYC, that is Mike oncogene. Some promoters in eukaryotes are targeted by multiple transcription factors which might achieve a hyperactive state leading to increased transcriptional activity. Bidirectional promoters. Bidirectional promoters are short, less than 1 kilobase pair, intergenic regions of the DNA between the 5' ends of the genes in a bidirectional gene pair. A bidirectional gene pair refers to two adjacent genes coded on opposite strand with their 5' ends oriented toward one another. The two genes are often functionally related, and modification of their shared promoter region allows them to be co-regulated and thus co-expressed. Bidirectional promoters are a common feature of mammalian genomes. About 11% of human genes are bidirectionally paired. Bidirectionally paired genes in the gene ontology database shared at least one database assigned functionally category with their partners 47% of the time. Microarray analysis has shown bidirectionally paired genes to be co-expressed to a higher degree than random genes or neighboring unidirectional genes. Although co-expression does not necessarily indicate co-regulation, methylation of bidirectional promoter regions has been shown to downregulate both genes and demethylation to upregulate both genes. There are exceptions to this. In some cases, around 11%, only one gene of a bidirectional pair is expressed. In these cases, the promoter sequence is implicated in suppression of the non-expressed gene. The mechanism behind this could be competition for the same polymerase enzyme or chromatin modification. Divergent transcription could shift nucleosomes to upregulate transcription of one gene or remove bound transcription factors to downregulate transcription of one gene. Some functional classes of genes are more likely to be bidirectionally paired than others. Genes implicated in DNA repair are 5 times more likely to be regulated by bidirectional promoters than by unidirectional promoters. For example, chaperone proteins are 3 times more likely to be regulated by bidirectional promoters, and mitochondrial genes are more than twice to be regulated by bidirectional promoters than by unidirectional promoters. Many cellular metabolic genes and basic housekeeping genes are regulated by bidirectional promoters. The overrepresentation of bidirectionally paired DNA repair genes associates these promoters with cancer. 45% of the human somatic oncogenes seem to be significantly regulated by bidirectional promoters more than non-cancer causing genes. Certain sequence characteristics have been observed in bidirectional promoters, like the lack of Tata boxes. But CAAT boxes are common, as they are in many promoters that lack Tata boxes. Although the term bidirectional promoter refers specifically to promoter regions of mRNA encoding genes, luciferase assays have shown that over half of human genes do not have a strong directional bias. Research suggests that non-coding RNAs are frequently associated with the promoter regions of mRNA encoding genes. It has been hypothesized that the recruitment of the enzyme RNA polymerase II and initiation of transcription usually begins bidirectionally, but divergent transcription is halted at a checkpoint later during elongation. Possible mechanisms behind this regulation include sequences in the promoter region, chromatin modification, and the spatial orientation of the DNA. A subgenomic promoter is a promoter added to a virus for a specific heterologous gene, resulting in the formation of mRNA for that gene alone.